Hi everyone, Archana here. I just wanted to share my album. This album I created using Minte's LovelyDay collection. It's beautiful collection, all pastely springy colors. And this is what I did. And this is my homemade album. It's not ready-made. And as always, my measurements are 11 by 8. And this is my cover page. You can see I have used Prima resin frames. These frames are so beautiful, so pretty. And these butterflies from Rene Bouquet, and this beautiful chipboard is from Fantasy Dyes, and some Prima flowers are here, and some Sweetheart Blossom by Wilder Kid Craft, and some of the vellum pieces, like vellum leaves, I die cut, and some laces. And here we go. This is beautiful cover page, and then I'll go through each and every page. The back side of this cover page is it's a bit plain. I didn't like create any flaps or anything. I just simply created this pocket using some of the beautiful lace. It's right here, and I used some of the die cuts in the middle and created two different pockets here instead of one large pocket. Since I just wanted to show each and every die cuts, you can see these are so cute. And this album I created based on Sweet Home theme. So you can see cute flower bouquet and camera here. And next page I'm showing you this cute bouquet, and these flaps open like that for our pictures, and there is one tuck-in spot here. You can put anything, pictures or anything. This page, it opens like that. Picture spot, picture, and opens like that. There is a picture spot right here. Then open it like this. So I will try my best to show in detail, but it's not covering much, but you will get an idea. There is a picture thing, and there is a flap again. So there is a picture space right here, and there is a small pocket. You can insert things like that. So I just inserted some of the cutouts here, and this middle part also, it opens like that, and two spaces for picture. So 1 2 3, and close like this, and you can see all the cute little decoration. And there is a pocket behind these pages. You can see it right here. So this pocket, there is one card inserted, like a small tiny thing. And next page, and again this frame is a Fantasy die cuts, and it opens like that, and then your flaps, and there is another flap right here, and there I have created a pocket, but these two spaces are for pictures. So many pictures you can fill in this album. Next page. Here is a picture. See the decoration. I love this cute little house, so cute. And this open like this, so there is a picture area. This one open like this, another picture area, and here you can put a big picture. And then when you and there is a flap, a big flap. This big flap I have created a just show like that, you can see. So there is one, it's not pocket, it's just a tuck-in spot, and you can tuck all the pages, or I have created a big tag here. And here is a picture area. And when you close this one, there is another pocket behind this, so you can see. So I have just used all these images, you can see, so cute, super cute small booklets. This collection is amazing, so cute. Next page, there is another tuck-in spot I created for your pictures, and you can see the small house right there, cute couple of houses, so cute, so cute. And this opens like that, and this spot is for picture, and this open like that. There is a big pocket I have created, so I just used one of the pages. And on the bottom, this flap opens like that, and there is another small flap like this. I hope you can see, right? And this is picture purpose. And for the top side, picture area and a flap, there is picture and there is a pocket here. So I have created one, this book kind of thing, and right there, and it closes. And then you can open this page like that. This is a big page area. So I have created a belly band here, so I'll show. You can put anything in here, like large pictures or anything, and there is a big long pocket using the same lace which I have used for front page and picture area. And that is it. So this is my album I finished in few hours. Usually I take so long to create my albums, since it takes a long time, right? But these images and these colors are beautiful, so super cute. So I thought I'll just sit on one place and finish it. So I ignored cooking, I ignored cleaning, and I have done this thing. And it makes me so happy. This album is really, really beautiful. It came up really good as I wished. And here you go. This is my album, and I have a box ready for this album, but this box needs some decoration on top and it goes in that box. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.